But the problem is, does Magnus play real chess, or does he play for content now, like A6 or some nonsense? Like, I don't know what I'm supposed to do here. Do I play for content, or do I play for the win, or do I do, like, I don't, this is like we're playing poker. Magnus either has to play real, or he plays nonsense. I almost want to play Queen H. I almost want to go Queen H5 here for the memes. What should I do here? What should I do? I guess I'll do this. Why not? Let's just play some fun chess. Go here. I think I have bishop g5 here, don't I? To hit the knight with like rook e1. This looks kind of bad for black. Don't I have rook e... I wonder if Magnus made a mistake here. This looks a little bit sus from that. This looks kind of sus, but maybe I'm sus. Oh, but he blocks? So I can't go knight e5? I'll go back here. Knight e5 is still a move, of course. Like knight e5 and maybe like knight e5 and f4 and just attack. I actually rather like my position here, I'm not gonna lie. It's a good position, but I don't know, we'll see. See what Magnus does here. He's very slow, by the way. I wonder if Magnus is like on the road, because normally he's not this slow on time. It's a6. So he wants to go c5, I guess? I feel like I have some tricks here. I'm going to go for it. Why not? Go here. I want to go knight g6, maybe. Natural. Natural. I don't know if I'm better here, actually. I have no idea what's going on. I mean, we're both kind of just playing moves. Rook d8's a very good move that I actually completely missed. I could go knight a4 here, which I think I'm going to do, actually. Because c4, bishop e2, I want to go knight b6. I want to hit him with this one. I also have knight g6 with classic fossil. This looks a little bit sus from Magnus. A little bit sus here, I feel like. Oh! Did I just miss a sack? I think I missed a sack. But maybe I'm still okay. I have knight f7. I also have knight c4. Or no, wait. Did I just blunder? I think I blundered. I just blundered, yeah. I thought I had a trick and I don't. I guess let's go here and pretend I've done nothing wrong. I blundered. I thought I had a tactic that doesn't exist. Knight f4, c4, knight b6 is maybe possible too. I don't know. Either c3 is a great move or a terrible move. I don't know which one, but I feel like I still should be kind of in the game here. I'm not doing... Oh, I have bishop h6 also, which is interesting. I guess I'll go for it. Why not? Hard to judge. I don't even know if this is right, but it's a move to play. I have a feeling after c4 I probably had something. I don't know what, but I have a feeling I missed something there. I don't know. We'll look after the game. Magnus is very, very slow here, by the way. He's also got a dead tower on the edge of the board, so it's very, very tricky here. Very tricky. There's knight e4, logical, very, very logical move. There's no bishop c4. Bishop f4 is a move I kind of want to play, but that might allow g5, maybe. Go here, why not? I don't really want to trade. I think again I made a bad. I should have put the bishop on e3. Another mistake by me. Do I have bishop c4 though? No, I don't. I mean, I have bishop e3 here. I think Magnus made a slight mistake. It's not a big mistake, but it's a slight mistake. I mean, I have knight c5. We can also take. Hard to prove an advantage here, unfortunately. Still should be a draw if I'm precise. If I go rook b1, I'm just trying to make sure. Still probably a draw. It's a good move too. Magnus still finding some really, really good moves here, by the way. Like, really, really good moves. Like, rook c1 is a high-quality move. How do I do this, though? I still don't have... There's no way to win, unfortunately. Maybe I have rook a... Actually, wait. Maybe I've got this. Nah, it's still a draw, of course. Yeah, it's just a draw. Yeah, just a draw.